Stop buying the wrong smart home security system in 2026. If you're still relying on outdated tech to protect your home, you're not just behind the curve, you're vulnerable. I've spent the last 6 months living with, testing, and quite frankly, trying to break the most innovative home security systems released this year, so you don't have to. We're talking about the absolute cutting edge, systems that don't just react to threats, they anticipate them. And trust me, the number one system on this list, the Eufy Security eufyCam 3, is going to completely change how you think about home protection. Let's dive into the future of home security, starting with our fifth pick. Kicking us off at number 5 is the Google Nest Cam Outdoor. Its innovation lies firmly in its intelligent software and seamless integration. The best features here are its incredible AI-powered person, animal, and vehicle detection, all processed right on the device. That means fewer false alerts and smarter notifications. It also integrates beautifully into the Google Home ecosystem, making it a natural fit if you're already in that world, and the video quality is consistently excellent. This system is truly for the Google ecosystem user who values on-device intelligence for basic detections without necessarily needing a subscription. Now for an honest flaw: while its software is smart, its hardware doesn't push boundaries in the same way some others do, and without a Nest Aware subscription, storing video history can become quite expensive. Coming in at number 5 was good, but this next one takes a wider net for home protection, and it does it with an impressive network of devices. Our fourth spot goes to the Ring Alarm 14-piece kit. The innovation with Ring is in its comprehensive, accessible ecosystem. Its best features include Z-Wave compatibility, letting you integrate a huge range of third-party smart home devices, plus its professional monitoring options are robust and reliable. You get an incredibly loud siren, and the kit includes integrated door and window sensors alongside motion detectors, building a strong perimeter. This system is absolutely for anyone looking for a complete, scalable DIY solution with great professional monitoring options and strong smart home integration, especially if you're already invested in Ring devices. An honest flaw, though: while the ecosystem is robust, the individual sensor technology isn't always bleeding edge when compared to some standalone devices, and Ring's past privacy track record has been a sticking point for some users. From an extensive network to a system that truly simplifies protection without sacrificing advanced features, our number 3 pick is all about making security effortless and intelligent. Taking the third position is the SimpliSafe 9-piece wireless system. SimpliSafe's innovation shines in its truly wireless, DIY-friendly setup and robust professional monitoring. Its best features are the incredibly simple installation, the proprietary encrypted signals for enhanced security, and its unique environmental sensors that can detect water leaks, freezing temperatures, or smoke. Plus, its professional monitoring includes cellular backup, so it doesn't rely solely on your Wi-Fi, which is a massive plus. This system is ideal for renters, anyone who wants a genuinely easy-to-move DIY system, or those who prioritize professional monitoring with strong, reliable backup options. The honest flaw here is that while its cameras are decent, they don't quite match the cutting-edge resolution or advanced on-device AI of some dedicated camera systems, and the monthly fees for advanced features can quickly add up. SimpliSafe gets you protected fast, but if you're looking for smarter, more proactive visual deterrence and unparalleled flexibility in your camera, then our next system has some genuinely clever tricks up its sleeve. Our runner-up, at number 2, is the Arlo Pro 4 Spotlight camera. Arlo Pro 4's innovation comes from combining premium visual security with active deterrence and incredible flexibility. Its best features include stunning 2K HDR video, an integrated spotlight for color night vision and active deterrence, a super-wide 160-degree viewing angle, and the ability to connect directly to Wi-Fi without needing a separate hub. It also boasts advanced object detection for people, packages, vehicles, and animals, plus a built-in siren. This camera is for users who need high-quality video surveillance with proactive deterrence, especially those who appreciate wireless freedom and smart AI alerts. However, an honest flaw is that battery life can vary significantly depending on activity and how often that spotlight fires up, and many of its more advanced smart features are locked behind an Arlo Secure subscription. The Arlo Pro 4 is a powerhouse of visual security, but for a system that truly redefines what a smart security camera can do, combining ultimate independence with bleeding-edge intelligence, our top pick stands alone. And finally, claiming the #1 spot for innovation in 2026, it's the Eufy Security eufyCam 3. This system is a game-changer. Its best features are revolutionary: solar charging for perpetual power, meaning you literally never have to recharge your outdoor cameras. It records in stunning 4K resolution, offers a truly powerful bionic mind AI on its Homebase 3 for advanced facial recognition and object differentiation, and crucially, provides generous local storage with no subscription needed for its core features. You also get excellent color night vision and dual-band Wi-Fi for reliable connectivity. This system is an absolute must-have for tech enthusiasts, privacy-conscious users who want local storage and advanced AI without recurring fees, or anyone simply tired of constantly charging their outdoor cameras. The honest flaw? While the facial recognition is impressive, it still has some room for improvement in terms of accuracy and speed in certain complex conditions, and the Homebase, while powerful, is another device you'll need to find space for. There you have it, the most innovative smart home security systems of 2026. Each one brings something unique to the table, but if you want true peace of mind with cutting-edge tech, the Eufy Security eufyCam 3 is simply unmatched. To get the best prices on any of these systems right now, and to secure your home with confidence, make sure you check the pinned comment and the description down below. Don't wait until it's too late.